Good day, students. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your calculator to utilize the statistic function of your calculators. As it was asked in the class that can't we use a shorter approach? So I needed to apply my mind instead of, rejecting that idea. So I now went back and checked my calculator, how it functions. And yeah, I want to show you just in case if you still remember to use your calculator so that we minimize all these calculations that are here. The aim is to minimize these calculations. So now we are looking for what? Maybe let's say a standard deviation. So you go straight to the formula. Do not give me the answer. You need to be able to compute everything onto your formula. So now to do that, first thing first you do is to shift menu and keep this in mind. We are looking for frequencies, therefore we need to set up for frequency. So that is number one. It says, do you want to turn on the frequency? You say, yes, I want to turn on the frequency. Therefore the frequency is on. Okay. So now when you don't have frequency, you can just go straight to the menu and you select your state, okay? And then you'll select your number one there. Then now it will be only X, but in this case we have frequency and our X, okay? Then you need to punch in the information 77, then 86, and 95, and 104, and 113, right? Then you move on the side. Then you're gonna put 5, 19, and 31, and 27, and 14, which is the last one, 14. Right, so you can just double check 5, 19, 31, 27, 14, 77, 86, 95, 104, and 113 at the end. Yeah. Then you can just say AC, then you move away. Then now you want to extract certain information. So maybe you might consider to start writing down your formula, make it longer depending. You never know how long will it take to write the formula in full. So you have n. If you're looking for n, you need to go to options in this calculator. Others we have shift and 1. So now mine requires the shift. So I will select data. Okay, summation, maybe let's say summation or variable. I want variable, so 2. So what am I looking for? I want to look for n, so which is 6. Then I have 96 as my n. That's my 96 there. Then multiply by, I'm looking for this combination, which is x squared. Yeah? So I see, you remove that. Then you go to options, you go down and you go back to, I think the summation. Right, so which one do you are looking for? We're looking for the x squared. So it has already incorporated the frequency in it. So whatever answer you're going to get has the frequency in it. Then you do that, which is now 92,0742, right? Then minus, this is fx. So you're gonna, whatever answer you're gonna find, you're gonna put it in bracket and then you say square. So now we go back again, we say options, and then going down and summation there, and number one again, and then there. That's your 9354, right? Then we know that this is 96. We know that this is 96 minus 1. Then you close your bracket. So now, then now, our answer becomes you do your square root, your normal square root, right? So there's this issue whereby whenever we're in this statistical mode, I just need to, I no longer remember how to punch properly. Usually I need to take it back to the normal, but I know that it is possible for you to just sum everything here by saying 96 multiplied by 9207 92. Okay, 900792. That looks like a 4. Yeah, it is a 4 actually. 4, 2. All right. And then minus open bracket 9354. Close bracket there. Okay, then you know that you have this value here, and then you can actually it shouldn't be this long. Okay, we have this value 893916. You do your square root nicely there, and we have your 96 minus 1. Okay, then your square root now is no longer going to be that difficult to use, because you're going to be able to say my answer divide by, you can say open bracket 96 96 minus 1. Okay, and then you do a double bracket there, and then equals to. Okay, so I might have made a mistake somewhere, I don't know how. Let me just, okay, 96 minus 1. Okay, so rather I do this 9120. Okay, then square root 893916 divided by 9120. Close bracket. And the answer is 9.9. So to prove your answer, you can call the information. You go to your options, look for your variables, obviously. Variable 2, then we're looking for what? For S. The S is for the standard deviation number 5. Then that's your answer there. So you are able to verify whatever that you are calculating. Then when I come, then I'm able to give marks. If I give 2 here, then maybe 1 there, and then there, then you can see that this is your 4. But yeah. And then yeah, all others you can find them the same way. If you are looking for probably something with the average, there are questions where they ask you for the average x bar, which is the sum of fi and xi, so over n. Then you know that in that case you can just look for that information that you're looking for, the sum of fxi, which is the sum of, you go to your sum there, which is this one, and then you get yourself this 9354 over remember 96 then divide by 96. Then we have it as equals to 97.44. Then also it is possible to prove it. In order to prove it, you go back there, same place, option, variable 2, and that's your 1 there. Then you are able to prove everything that you are doing. So in this way, you are cutting a lot of time into filling up the tables. So it's not compulsory to use the tables anymore. I hope we are understanding this. Please practice it before our next class. Thank you and bye-bye.